In this part of the video, I decided to show you guys how I have organized all my documents and all my files inside of my computer. Previously, I showed you guys the application and the programs that I mainly use for my editing process. But in this video, what I want to show you guys is how I keep everything organized. When you come inside my computer and you click on file, I have it set up that it will open my desktop, and that is simply by going to Finder, check preferences, and then you could set up where Finder will open as soon as you press it. Me personally, I want it to be desktop because sometimes I save file on desktop temporarily and I wanted to access it really quick, so I just have it to desktop so I don't have to go look around it. But mainly all my YouTube and my website's material are listed under YouTube. I have it right here in one of my favorite. Also on top of that, I have that file tagged, so whenever I want to look up something, I could just type in @reef and all the files that are associated with my website and my YouTube will pop out. Now in terms of Final Cut Pro X, I have a folder called Assets, and this is where everything lies. Now if you don't want to do this, you don't have to necessarily do this, but I found it quite helpful when I have everything in one file. Video elements are the elements that I have previously made that are incorporated into my Final Cut Pro X project. For example, I have my drop down, I have unboxing made cool, which I put at the end, I have the star line that just shoots out of my head, and I have my promo that I put it at the end. So that's the video element. Screen recording, whenever, like right now I'm recording my screen, I copy and paste them here. These are for the last project, I do not need them. Next, I have pictures, and these pictures consist of two categories. Logos, these are the logos that I use for my videos. So inside of my videos, when you see the opening box and the logo comes up, it's a ping PNG. I don't know exactly how they pronounce it, but it's a ping file. So it comes out when I open it right here. It's a really massive file, but it has a relatively good resolution. It's not a vector. I have the original vector file saved somewhere else, and I have a JPEG of it, which the JPEG, it's opening in my other screen, which the JPEG has the white background, and that's for different part of my videos. Elements is sometimes when I'm showing a picture, I need a white background, sometimes I need pink, and I have a subscribe basically logo right here in case I have to implement it somewhere. Never use it. This I used for my YouTube watermark, but I have it here in case I need it. Now, so that was video element, then we went over screen recording, next was picture, and then it's camera. Now the cameras that I use, I have 5 cameras that I may use during my recording. I have my Sony A9, which is my primary camera that I'm recording right now. I have my GoPro, DJI Osmo Pocket, Mavic Mini, and my Canon G7X. So these are the cameras that I use, and depending on what camera and what project I use, I just copy the files here, and whenever I want I can use it. Now in terms of audio, now I have 3 files in my audio. One is Zoom F4. This is the recorder that I use, so I copy my Zoom F4 recording right here. Then I have sound effect. Sound effects are like basically transitions, such as the box, the whoosh sound. I'll go over all of these later in later videos, and I'll show you guys how this can help you guys. The last one is Audio Jungle Music. These are basically the audio files that I have purchased from Audio Jungle, and I have the rights to them. So if I wanted to make an advertisement, or if I wanted to make a trailer, these are the songs that I will use because I know that I have the rights to, and I know the beats of them, so I like them, so I purchased them. So whenever I open Final Cut Pro X, this is where it gets really nice and easy. I can just organize my projects and know exactly where is what and how I'm doing it. So right now we have United Project. let's create a new project. Go to video element, drag and drop it right here. Go to picture, drag and drop it right here. Go to audio, drag and drop it right here. So now, instead of looking for everything through here, I can simply go to checkmark right here, know where my video elements are, know where my logo is, picture, sound effect, video element, and then when I have my camera, I can access it right here, drag and drop it, and start my editing. I hope this was helpful. This is just a way to organize your file and keep them clean. As always, see you in the next one.